Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this section, I explain about economic order quantity. While purchasing the material, an important question arises as to what quantity should be purchased or ordered. Neither too large quantity nor too smaller quantity should be ordered. An optimum or equal economic quantity should be purchased at a time. So this quantity is called economic order quantity. Economic order quantity is the ordering quantity which minimizes total cost of inventory. The total cost of inventory, it comprises two, ordering cost and carrying cost. So ordering cost, we know that it's the cost which is related to acquisition of material, and also it includes cost of placing a purchase order. Well, carrying cost, it refers to the cost of holding or carrying the stock in storage. The two costs have inverse relationship. If order quantity is larger, the ordering cost will be low because order placed are few but carrying will be high. So the ordering quantity should be fixed at that level where the total cost of inventory is lowest. So this is possible when the ordering cost is equal to carrying cost. So thus economic order quantity is that quantity at which the total inventory cost is minimum. That is, the ordering cost and carrying cost are equal. Next, we can see the equation for economic order quantity. EOQ equal to root of 2 into C into O divided by I. Here, C, it denotes that annual consumption or usage of material. And O, it denotes cost of placing an order, and I is annual carrying or storage cost per unit. Suppose if in the question the number of orders to be placed in a year is asked, then you have to calculate this. That is, by dividing the annual requirement of material by economic order quantity, we will get the number of orders to be placed in a year. So the formula is very easy to remember. So next we can see how to calculate this economic order quantity. First read the question. Calculate EOQ from the following information. And also you have to calculate the number of orders to be placed in a year. So the question is annual consumption 10,000 kg, cost of placing an order rupees 50, cost per kg of material rupees 2, storage cost 8% on average inventory. So we'll see how to calculate EOQ. The formula is root of 2 into C into O divided by I. So here the C, it denoted for annual consumption rupees 10,000. Then O, it is denoted for cost of placing an order rupees 50. Next, in order to calculate carrying cost, in the question it is given that 8% on average inventory. So here 8% on average inventory means cost per kg is given rupees 2. So 2 into 8% will get 0.16. Now we can apply in the formula. So the 2 into C means C is rupees 10,000, then rupees 50 as O, then divide by 0.16, we'll get 2 into 10,000 into 50, we'll get 10 lakh. We'll get 10 lakh. Then we have to divide 10 lakh by 0.16. We'll get 62 lakh 50,000. So here the 62 lakh 50,000 will be in the root. So we have to remove from the root. Then the answer will be 2,500. Now we have to calculate number of orders to be placed in a year. So the formula is annual consumption divided by EOQ. 10,000 it is given in the question as annual consumption, and this 2,500 what we have calculated. So the answer will be 10,000 divided by 2,500, we will get 4 orders per year. So it's very simple to calculate EOQ. Next we will go with another example also. From the following particulars, calculate economic order quantity. Annual requirement 3600 kg. Cost of purchasing and receiving an order rupees 1000. Annual carrying and storage cost rupees 20. So here the formula for EOQ is root of 2 into C into O divided by I. So here the C, it is for annual requirement given 3600. Then we have to calculate O, that is cost of placing an order. It is rupees 1000. Then annual carrying and storage cost is given directly rupees 20. So it's a very easy question, isn't it? So we have to calculate 2 into 3600 into 1000 will get 72 lakh. Then we have to divide 72 lakh divide by 20. We'll get 3,60,000. Then root of 3,60,000 is 600 kg. So this is how we have to calculate economic order quantity. Hope you like my video. Thank you.